All right, you all know what today is. Today is film day, so watch me do a remix on this old twist out and do a really simple hairstyle that you can do yourself. Hey guys, Karen with Curl House. I am a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the fabulous Curl House collection of products. And I help women to grow and maintain healthy, natural hair. And today, you all, it is time for me to do my hair. And the nerve of me, you all, I was actually starting to do my hair in the bathroom without turning the camera on. But since I promised you I was going to show you everything that I do as it relates to styling my hair, I'm going to include this style. This is going to be a really simple style. But as I said, I am turning the camera on. First things first, I always start with scalp care. So I have the top of my hair grows slower, it's thinner. So I use these Healer scalp drops and I place them in the area that grows slower and I massage it in. And the next thing that I do before I do my hair, I have to make sure that the ends of my hair are hydrated. So I'm using some Sealer Moisture Cream just on the ends. You all know the ends are the oldest part of your hair. It's the driest part most susceptible to breakage. So I always put a little bit of moisture cream on my ends. Okay, so what I'm doing today is gonna be it's simple, you all. As opposed to wearing my hair out, I just wanted to pull it back in like a ponytail, but I don't want a tight ponytail. I did not want the typical Afro puff sitting on top of my head. I just wanted to pull it back, and then I'll do something with this in the front. So I am going to first put a little bit of my favorite edge control. This is Kindness by Textured Kids. And I'm going to put a little bit around my edges. And as you can see, since I had started before I turned the camera on and I stopped, I just put a little part on the side of my hair. Just a little part on the side. Now I'm going to put a little bit of edge control all around the front. Okay. And I will gently brush the edges very gently. Satin scrunchie. Now, when you do a ponytail, depending on how much hair you have, if you have fuller hair, you can do 2 wraps. But if you want the fullest looking ponytail, which is what I want, I'm just going to wrap this once, not twice. So again, I can do it twice, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to do it once. Scrunchie. And 1 wrap. Okay, that's it. You see how much volume that gives me? This is what I was going for. Like a low ponytail, just like this. Now, you see those edges? Those edges are slick down. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a couple bobby pins right here and just kind of secure it right here. Okay. That's one side. Right. Now this top part, I can either take it and kind of pull it off like this. That's an option. Or I can twist it. So I need to add a little more edge control right here. I'm gonna first try with twisting it. Let's try that first. Let's see how it goes. And I'm going to put a little bit of product right, since I'm twisted, I'm going to put a little bit of gel right along here. Now, I don't want it to look as flat, so I'm just going to take a rat tail comb and lift it a little bit right at the root, just to give it a little bit of volume. All right, now we're just going to separate the rest of the twist just a little bit because I twist kind of tight. I don't want it to look too tight. All right. Now we got to figure out where to put this. You put it right here. All right, what y'all think about that? All right, so I'm looking at my hair, and you notice I just pulled it back. If you feel like your hair is a little frizzy, and if you want to lay down the frizzies a little bit more, you can put a little gel in this area, just a little bit, if you feel like it's too frizzy. I think mine looks okay, but I'm gonna put a little bit, just a little bit of gel right in here just to slick it down just a little bit more. But let me get some gel. I just got a little bit of styling gel, not a lot. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel and just smooth my hair down just a little bit. Okay, I'm just stretching it just a little. I want to give it a little more volume. A little more volume. All right, now I'm gonna brush out my baby hair just a little. So if you want to take this style and step it up a little bit, you can add some accessories to it. I have a few accessories. I love these. These are just, they just take the style. They just make it look so classy. You can add a clip anywhere you like. Sometimes this snags, but you have to be very careful with it. And you can put this wherever you want it. I'm thinking, what about here? Y'all think that's cute? Let's see, let's try it right here. There you go. I think that looks cute. It just gives it a little pop of extra. You can actually put them at the back of your hair too, like if you really want to get fancy. But in this YouTube video, you're not going to see all that. But I get these from Amazon. I'll definitely put a link below. You just, again, you have to be very careful when you use them so all the fancy, intricate details on the clip doesn't snag your hair. But I'm gonna add another one just right here. There we go. This is my look for my YouTube recording day. So I hope you enjoyed this really simple hairstyle, you all. I know it may have taken me a long time to explain it, but you can really do it in about 5 minutes. So you can take your old twist style or your old wash and go and do a remix and just do a cute, simple style, something different. Switch it up a little bit for the springtime. Okay, you all, if you're looking for products that will help you to manage the health of your hair, to keep that hair nice and hydrated, I encourage you to consider the Curl House product line. Okay, guys, I hope you like this style. Let me know if you're going to try it. If you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again.